Look at this mess! A 1969 Chevelle SS, buried under years of moss and neglect. Most people would call it a scrapyard candidate, but we see a legend waiting to scream again. From a forgotten relic to a street-shaking beast, this Chevelle is officially back on the map. If you felt that V8 rumble in your chest, hit that like button and subscribe. Catch you on the next build.